Okay, long story short, UPS sucks in Malaysia. I'm gonna spare you guys the detail and open up the box. Alright, so I got this watch from Serious Watches and I would really recommend them because they have really top-notch service. Not sponsored, by the way. Wow, love the lovely packaging. Right, so this is the watch. Not the watch, at least the watch box. Ooh la la. Wow. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna peel off the stickers, move all the clutter away, and we're gonna get closer to the watch. Okay, so this is the watch. This is the Formex Essence 39 with the Dégradé dial. So Dégradé meaning that they have this fume kind of dial effect, and I think it's absolutely fantastic. Feeling the watch on my hand, it really feels like, you know, more expensive than the price I paid for. I'm really impressed with the level of finishing, with the feel on the hand. The fit and finish seems to be super. And yeah, one of the gimmick of the Formex Essence is this suspended case design. So according to Formex, this will allow the watch to conform to your wrist pattern, yada yada yada. But I think it's kind of a gimmick, but no doubt it's something really cool to play with and cool to have. Wow, let's give the watch a whirl to see if it's moving. Wow, nice. Let's okay, date change at 12. Nice. So let's move it to, yeah, the typical AI derived. You know, if you ask AI to show you any picture of watches or clock, they will show you at 10:10. Yep, this is nice. I love the detail. Wow, let's go in a little closer. So this is the dial. Wow, amazing. So this watch, the movement, it's an SW200. It's a Sellita SW200 series. But the thing is that it's chronometer certified, so it's guaranteed to be around -6 to +4 or -4 to +6 seconds per day. So that is how accurate this movement is gonna be, and I really love the finishing. The watch has a vertically brushed finishing from top down, and it is flanked by this high polish bezel, and the sides of the case are vertically brushed as well. So one thing you can see is that there are 4 hexagon bolts around the watch case, and this is where the watch suspension is supposed to happen, the action, right? I can feel that there's some kind of a spring inside there, right? And yeah, let me try to push it again. Yep, you can see that. Oh my. Yep, it's moving. All right. So I believe the bezel acts as a stopper, preventing the watch from dropping all down, as you can see. And the spring is actually trying to push the watch case down. So as you wear it on your wrist, the idea is, let's say if your wrist swells a little, or when you're contorting your wrist or your arm to do something else, you know, there'll be some leeway so that it wouldn't like strangle your wrist. That's the idea. Okay. The bracelet is really nicely executed. Wow, I love that angular, you know, the aggressive angular profile of the bracelet. And yep, even though it may seem that it comes with a butterfly clasp, I think they cleverly hide an extension feature, which I need to figure out how to pull it off. Okay, yeah, all right. So you can kind of extend the bracelet a little. Okay, so there's still a piece of sticker which I haven't removed. So you can kind of extend that. So if, let's say, you wear it and your wrist kind of swells up during the hot day, you can still extend it. Now I'm in trouble. Okay. All right. I thought I do not know how to put it back. Yeah. So it takes kind of a bit of a practice to play with it. But overall, I really like the design of the watch. So let's zoom out a little. So it has that aggressive angular look, maybe something similar to a Seiko Samurai, but this one is in a much more, I would say, manageable case dimensions that my wrist can handle. So it's really nice, and the level of execution, the finishing, it's really, really top notch. Yes, I heard a lot of good stories about Formex, how well they are. They are a case maker for big, Swiss watch brands, and they have dial makers and all that. So they will always kind of reserve the best for them, maybe. So yeah, it's really, really nice. I'm gonna size this up later for my wrist, but for now, I will just kind of plop it on my wrist so for you guys to take a look at how this watch fits my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist. Okay, so this is how the watch fits my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist. As you can see, there is no lug overhang. The watch case kind of like wraps around my wrist really nice here. And I really love the size. Right, it's a 39mm watch, but I think it wouldn't look too big or too small. I think it's just nice, and I appreciate the compact lug-to-lug distance, especially for my small 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist. It looks super, and I really like that Dégradé dial. So before we part, let's take a look at what's inside the box of this Formex. And they have a very nice polishing cloth. As usual, you have your warranty card, your user manual. I'm gonna remove that, and they even provided us with a screwdriver signed with Formex for us to remove the removable links. How thoughtful of them, really nice. And before we go, I'm really gonna show my appreciation to Sirius watchers, especially Mark, who was very kind enough to entertain my questions, and when I had issues with UPS Malaysia, he was very quick to jump in. So thank you, Mark, if you're watching. So I really appreciate your help here. And yeah, guys, if you are keen to get a Formex, you can visit Sirius watchers. Not sponsored, I do not get anything in return. I just like how professional they are and their top quality services. So I think with that said, that's all for this video. If you're interested to know more about this watch, which I will come back with a full review after wearing it for a month or two, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you do not miss out on any video that I will be publishing. Till then, take care, stay safe, and Happy New Year. This is my first watch for 2025. Bye-bye.